I like to know the meaning. Why must recite Al-Fatihah in Salat? Why?
Mhm.
Do you know why?
Okay, there are things in religion where kita cakap these things are ubudiyah, means we do this because our Prophet SAW said it. Because like at the end of the day, when it comes to religion, we have, because you can talk about religion, I can talk about religion, but at the end of the day, what's our source? Right? Because if I'm talking about religion, then what's my source? Definitely, my source must be from the Quran and of course the authentic hadith of our Prophet SAW. So this reading of Al-Fatihah that we know is compulsory due to the hadith that our Prophet SAW said.